Welcome to Be Yoke, Be Your Own Guide. This is day 28 of the 30-day evening meditation series. And this evening, I invite you to return to your bodies with grace, gentleness, and presence. Settle into this space where nothing is needed of you, nothing is required of you. Just simply settling into the space and being, letting go of the weight of the day and allowing yourself to now simply soften, ease, knowing that this time is here for rest, for renewal, for rejuvenation. Closing your eyes gently if that feels okay, or lowering your gaze and letting the outside world fade away for the next few minutes. You can place your hands by your sides or maybe on your lap or your belly or your heart, whatever feels good in this moment. And bring awareness now to the breath and allow for the in-breath, the next in-breath, to be a little deeper into the belly, into the pelvic floor. And then as it leaves, allow it to leave from the nose, slow, paced out, and notice how it's a little warmer as it exhales your body. And breathing now normally in the body's breathing rhythm. No need to control the breath. Just notice as the breath enters through the nostrils, a little bit of coolness, going deeper into the belly, the body expanding, and then as it goes out, the body falling back, and a little warmer breath leaving the nostrils. And as you continue being with this in and out breath, allow yourself to ground in this rhythmic breathing of your being. With every inhale, inviting a grounded calm within. And with every exhale, letting go of any stress or tension. Now gently moving the awareness to your feet. Feeling your toes, the arches of your feet, your heels. And if there's any tension anywhere in the feet, allowing the next breath in to create some space, and the next breath out to soften and loosen the muscles here. And then moving this awareness from the feet to the ankles, to the legs, to the lower legs in this moment, letting the earth, the space, the surface below you to ground you deeper with every exhale. With every breath, feeling yourself becoming more and more stable and rooted, supported by the earth, the surface below, fully held, fully safe in this moment, here and now. Now allowing this movement, this awareness movement from the lower legs to move gently up, scanning through your calves, the shin bones, the knees, the thighs. And as you softly sit here and observe, scan, notice If there's any tension, discomfort, and with the breath coming in, allow for some space to be generated here. And with the breath going out, allow the muscles to soften a bit, relax a bit. Allow your legs, feet to the thighs, become gentle and heavy with the relaxation, with the softening, feeling into the support by the surface beneath. Allow any tension to let go, to release, imagining as if the tension flowing down your legs, leaving your body with each exhale, leaving with each exhale, each exhale. With each breath in, creating a little more space in your body, in your being. And with each exhale, allowing the body to become more relaxed, more at ease, softening, loosening, softening, loosening. Now continuing this awareness movement, taking it a little up, bringing gentle focused awareness to the torso, and feeling the expansion of the belly and the chest as you inhale, followed by the soft release as you exhale. Bringing awareness to your belly, to your rib cage, the lower back, and noticing if any tension, discomfort is present here. And with the next in breath, breathing in some space for whatever needs to move and process. And with the exhale, letting it go, letting it go, letting it go, allowing your torso to relax, feeling the weight of your body soften into the surface beneath you. Every breath in fills you with a grounding, calm, and peace. And every exhale releases any stuckness, holding patterns, tension. Moving this gentle awareness now to your shoulders and sensing into the weight of your shoulders and arms as they rest. Releasing any tension that may be held in your shoulders, letting them drop away from your ears. Allowing for your arms to become heavy with loosening, softening, letting go, sinking deeper and deeper into gentle, pure relaxation. Feel into the space and the freedom in your body as you gently release the tightness in your arms, in your hands, in your shoulders. And then finally bringing awareness to your neck, head, face, relaxing the forehead, temples, softening your eyes, unclenching your jaw. And with the next exhale, allowing for any remaining tension to just simply drift away. And allowing for this grounded, still calm to wash over your entire body. Becoming at complete ease and quiet. Allow all tension to release. Know that you're safe and deeply at rest. Your mind is clear and your body rejuvenating. Let this sense of deep relaxation sink into every single cell of your body, nourishing you, grounding you, preparing you for a peaceful, restful sleep. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for practicing. Until next time, be your own guide.